हेलो एवरीवन। देखिए अभी हमारे पास जो क्वेश्चन है वो पैराबोला से है। चलिए इसको देखते हैं ये क्या है। अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन कि फाइंड द वर्टेक्स, फोकस, डायरेक्ट्रिक्स, लेटस रेक्टम एंड टेंजेंट at the vertex for the parabola y 4y square minus 6x minus 4y equal to 5। ठीक है। now let us take let us draw a diagram of general equation y square equal to 4x. As you can see, we can draw the diagram of this parabola like this. This line is called directrix, this is tangent at the vertex, and this one is vertex and this one is focus. As you can see, coordinates of directrix is minus a comma 0, vertex 0 0, focus a comma 0. Okay, now let us see how we can find out the solution. 4y square minus 6x minus 4y equal to 5. Make perfect square. By making perfect square, we will proceed and write in this form. Okay. Further, you can see here, uh, I have just added 1 by 4. When you multiply uh, by 4 to 1 by 4, and then we have to also add the same thing at the RHS. So we have just written this one, 4 into 1 over 4. Okay, and after solving you will get y minus 1 over y to the whole square equal to 3 over 2 into x plus 1. Now just compare this equation with the general equation, that means y square equal to 4x, or y, as you can see y is already involved here, small y. That's why I have just we will use this equation, capital Y, capital A and capital X. Okay, so y square equal to 4x. Now I am going to write value of y and value of 4a and value of x. Okay, so we can write after comparing y equal to y minus 1 over 2 and x equal to x plus 1 and 4a equal to 3 over 2. Okay, from here we can write further a equal to 3 over 8, right? Similarly, now let us find out vertex. Vertex, coordinate is 0 0 0 0. So that means we have to equate y and x equal to 0. That means y minus 1 over y equal to 0, right? And x, this is not y, actually this is 2 here. You can see it is clear. So I'm just gonna remove this, and uh, instead I am going to write 2. That means y equals to 1 over 2. Okay, and x equal to x plus 1. X coordinate is also 0, y coordinate is also 0, so it will become minus 1. So coordinates are minus 1 comma 1 over 2. Okay, now focus, as you know, focus I have just explained it. It is a comma 0, like this, a comma 0, right? Or we can write a comma 0. So value of a is 3 over 8 and 0. This is focus, right? And a is 3 over 8, but x coordinate is 3 over 8, but y is 0. So x coordinate is our, in this case, x plus 1, and it is equal to a. A means 3 over 8, and a means 3 over 8. This is x coordinate, and similarly y coordinate is 0, and in this case y minus 1 over 2 equal to 0. It is clear. After solving, we will get minus 5 by 8 x coordinate, and y coordinate is 1 over 2, right? Now we are going to find out directrix. Okay, directrix. So directrix, it's minus a comma 0. Its coordinate is minus a comma 0. That means, or we can write minus a comma 0. X coordinate is minus a. So x coordinate x equal to minus a. That means x is given x plus 1 and then minus a. A is 3 over 8 minus, we can calculate and get minus 11 by 8. Okay, and y is 0, and in this case y equal to 0, and we have y minus 1 over 2 equal to 0. That means 1 over 2, right? So coordinates of directrix are, sorry, there is no y because we are talking about directrix. It has only equation z equal to minus a. Okay, and minus a is our x coordinate. So I'm gonna remove this one. There is no need to write it. Why? Because there is no x coordinate, y coordinate. It's a line parallel to y axis. Okay, so uh, it's minus 11 over 8 comma 0, and then next latus rectum. Latus rectum, latus rectum. Okay, so latus rectum is a comma 0 or a comma 0, right? So x equal to a. No need to write a comma y coordinate, only we will write x coordinate. So a is 3 over 8, then we will get minus 5 by 8, right? So latus rectum is minus 5 by 8. What is the length of latus rectum? To find the length, we just multiply by 4 because it's a 4a length, equal to 4 into 4 equal to 4a equal to 3 over a. That means 4 equal to 3 over a. Why? Because value of a is 3 over 8, like this. 4 into 3 over 8, after multiplying you will get 3 over 2, like this. And now I'm going to find out axis. Axis is y equal to 0. Okay, so y equal to 0 means y minus 1 over 2 equal to 0. It means y equal to 1 over 2. This is our axis. And also let us find out tangent. Tangent at the vertex. Tangent at the vertex means x equal to 0. X equal to 0, because tangent, we have just considered tangent as a y-axis. Y-axis. So equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. That means x plus 1 equal to 0. That means minus 1. I hope it is clear. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye. Like, share, and subscribe.